CJ Perez, leading scorer ng PBA's eliminations. Pero sa semifinals, mukhang natutukan ka ng depensa ng Ginebra. How will you respond to the challenge ng PNP sa finals?
I think parehas din naman po yung gagawin eh. So, it's just up to me kung paano ako mag-respond sa mga depensa na bibigay sa akin. And syempre, sa tulong ng mga teammates ko, for sure, ma-open ako din. And syempre, gagawin namin yung best namin kung ano yung bigay na depensa sa amin ng TNT pagkahandaan namin.
Okay, salamat CJ. Junmar Fajardo, 8-time MVP. Junmar nung semifinals against Barangay Ginebra, 2 laro, hindi ka nag-start. Very unusual because as we all know, as an 8-time MVP, definitely starter palagi yan. But meron kang iniinda during that time, pero pinakita mo sa Game 7, 21 points, 19 rebounds, back to 100%. Junmar, itong challenge mo sa PBA Finals Philippine Cup, ang TNT, hinahabol nila Grand Slam. Anong feeling mo? Anong expectation mo na anong dapat mong gawin to be able to lift San Miguel to championship victory?
Di kaya ng isa, dalawa, tatlo, 5 players yung may panalo yung series. Kailangan maglaro. Lahat, kailangan mag-step up lahat, coaching staff, players, lahat mag-step up sa series na to para makuha namin yung championship. Kasi alam naman namin na hindi ganun kadali makuha yung championship kasi malakas yung Tokentex. Kita naman natin 2 championships last conferences, and then galing nga sila sa Grand Slam. So kami gusto namin manalo ng championship kasi matagal na kami din nag-champion. So yun naman yung goal namin. Di kami naiba sa goal ng ibang teams na manalo ng championship. So yun din yung goal namin. So sila yung katapat namin. So gagawin namin yung best namin. Maghahanda kami ng gusto. Paghanda namin ng gusto yung game na to, yung series na to. So sana lahat ng mga may injury, mga kalaro, sana wala sanang may injury sa series na to para makalaro lahat, and then may the best team win. So,
okay, maraming salamat JMF. And now, our 2-time finals MVP, someone who has won 10 PBA championships along with Junmar at saka si Marshall Lassiter na katabi niya. Chris Ross turned back the hands of time, Game 7, 19 points, 10 in the fourth quarter. You were down 7 starting the fourth quarter. Chris Ross, you're going to be playing a big role in the finals. And you're familiar with that kind of situation. How different would this finals be from the finals that you've played in the past?
Personally, I think it's different because the finals in the past, I kind of knew my role from the standpoint of I knew I was going to get heavy playing time, 40 minutes a night, and I could kind of pick and choose my time to impact the game. But now that we've made some adjustments to our roster, my role kind of changed, and it's just on me to be ready when my number's called, and I try to do that. But also using my voice. If I'm not on the court, I like to use my voice and tell the guys on the court what I see. Just trying to have my presence felt. So whether I'm on the court or off the court, I try to have my presence felt, and I think that's just the biggest change of my role now to my role on previous championship.
Thank you, Chris. And now Marshall Lassiter, the PBA's all-time 3-point shooting leader. Marshall, you've won 10 championships in the PBA. Wow, palakpakan para kay Marshall Lassiter. Marshall, you've won 10 championships in the PBA. This one will be against a team that's gunning for a Grand Slam. Coach Leo said, that's not in your minds. You don't want to stop these Grand Slam ambitions, but you're out for a championship. If it so happens that you stop the Grand Slam ambitions, then so be it. But we've seen a different role for you as this season has progressed. Can you tell us how you've embraced your role in this team and how you will impact the game with your winning attitude.
Yeah, from not as similar to what Chris said, but I couldn't understand the role that Coach wants us or wants me to do, space the floor and just run to the corner. Yeah, that's what it seems like maybe, but I know I play a vital role for Jumar or CJ or all the other players that are on the court to help give spacing, and I understand the little nuances that come with it. So it's just being patient. You know, when the ball gets to me, just be ready. I know that's something that I've worked on, and you know I trust my teammates. You know they're there to make plays, and just like me, I'm gonna make a play when the opportunity is there. And at the end of the day, I'm just trusting what Coach Leo has in store for us. But yeah, just for talking text, I think me, Chris, and Jumar kind of understand the toll it takes on your body mentally, and it's not easy. You know, it's hard, and mentally, I know how hard it is to keep grinding, and especially physically. That's why they have a lot of wear and tears, and it's a challenge that we've been through a couple times already.
Thank you, Marshall. Palakpakan po natin.
My next question goes out to Chris Ross. Chris, over here. I know he's not here, but you've been running mates with Simon and Cisa for quite some time in the Beerman's backcourt. This time, of course, you guys are going to be seeing opposite each other. So how are you going to be approaching that, facing off against your former teammate?
For me, whenever I face someone on the court, it's all business. So I put any friendships or whatever to the side, and especially when you're running for a championship, there's no time to be friendly with anyone. You just go out there and compete and guard or play against whoever's in front of you. So I don't really see it as I'm playing a friend. I'm seeing it as we're playing an opponent, and we're both gunning for the same thing. So I'm sure they're going to put their best foot forward, and we're going to do the same and try to win the championship.
CJ, kanina kasi parang meron kang post sa Facebook na parang meron kang i-dedicate itong finals mo. So, can you talk us through lang dun sa naging post mo, kanina mo i-dedicate itong finals?
Dinidicate ko itong finals para sa mga batang nangangarap kagaya ko, mga galing probinsya na yung mga takot pumunta dito sa Manila kasi natatakot sila walang matirahan, di sila makuha, gano'n. Yun yung isang inspiration ko na may mga players from other province na walang budget pumunta dito, di nila alam kung paano sila mag-uumpisa. Yun yung isang yung inspiration na nakikita ko. And ayun, being in the finals and play basketball, yung mahal mong nilalaro simula nung bata, talagang parang it's an honor na may mga ibang bata na nakikita kami na nandito naglalaro. So yeah.
Kumusta ka naman coming into the final?
Okay naman. Try ko yung best ko na mapahinga as much as possible kung may kailangan, kasi kailangan yun para ready sa game. So
okay ka naman coming into the final?
yeah, meron pero hindi ko iniisip yun. Andun yung mga PTs namin, tinitingnan, inaano naman nila ako, gina-guide naman nila ako, binabantayan naman nila ako.
Sino sa tingin mo mag-step up din in case kumari kailangan mo ng pahinga?
Si Mo, si Rodney, si Jim Calma, lahat. Lahat. Hindi lang naman yun yung mga kailangan mag-step up, pati na yung mga guards namin. Lahat ng mga players na ipapasok ni coach dapat mag-step up.
Hindi ka pa nakapag-train with Gilas, no?
No, hindi pa. Oh.
Hindi mo ba yun iniisip?
Hindi pa. For now, hindi pa.
For now, ito muna ang chance.
Yeah.
Wala kayo sa Monday sa practice?
Baka punta lang kami. Show up lang.